Hey everyone! If your iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Plus camera is showing a black screen, freezing, or just not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you real working solutions that fix the issue permanently in 2025. Let us get started! First, do a quick force restart. It clears temporary glitches that cause the black screen. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. After restart, open the camera again. If it still doesn't work, move to step 2. Next, reset your iPhone settings. This won't delete your photos or data. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. This resets camera permissions and app configurations that may be blocking your camera. Now check if your camera app is restricted. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, Allowed Apps, Turn on Camera. Here has a secret fix that works for many users. Clear the camera app, S-Cache. Open Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Camera, Offload App, Reinstall App. This refreshes the camera app without deleting your photos. If you were seeing a message like, unable to determine if your iPhone camera is genuine, it could be a loose connector. Turn off your iPhone completely. Lightly press around the rear camera area. Don't push hard. Sometimes the flex cable gets slightly loose after a drop or repair. Then turn your phone back on and test the camera again. If none of these worked, your final option is a full iTunes or Find a Restore. Warning, this will erase your phone. Back up first. Connect your iPhone to a computer, open iTunes, click your device, and choose Restore iPhone. This installs a fresh iOS and fixes deep software bugs. And that's it. One of these steps should fix your iPhone 14 camera black screen issue. If it helped, hit like and drop a comment saying which step worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and 2025 fixes. See you in the next one.